नमस्कार, good morning, brothers and sisters, ladies and gentlemen, students, scholars, sportsmen, friends, colleagues, professionals and officials, doctors and ministers, researchers, all around the world, listeners. I, Dr. Rakesh from USA, welcome all. Your presence is praiseworthy, admirable, appreciable for all of us. You are providing your valuable time, presence of your thought, presence of your mind is really cordially welcome. Our today's topic related to education. If someone has bookish knowledge, it means not that he is expert, he is good in practical field. Both are necessary for the perfection of the profession. If someone has completed his qualification, he is qualified, it means not he is skilled. If someone is skilled, it means not that he is qualified. There may be some cases where there is the professionals, those who are perfect in practical field and theoretical field. If someone is expert, perfect in his field, then perfection comes by practical experience. Experience is the name of practical things. Means that person knows how to express his internal. If someone has qualified, someone has completed his qualification and he is internally qualified, but it means not that he is practically expert of that field. Education does not mean good judgment. There is a story about a man who sold hot dogs by the roadside. He was illiterate, so he never read newspapers. He was hard of hearing, so he never listened to the radio. His eyes were weak, so he never watched television. But enthusiastically, he sold lots of hot dogs. His sales and profit went up. He ordered more meat and got himself a bigger and a better stove. As his business was growing, The son, who had recently graduated from college, joined his father. Then something strange happened. The man asked that, Dad, aren't you aware of the great recession that is coming our way? The father replied, No, but tell me about it. The son said, The international situation is terrible. The domestic is even worse. We should be prepared for the coming bad time. The man thought that since his son had been to college, read the papers and listened to the radio, he ought to know, and his advice should not be taken lightly. So the next day, the father cut down his order for the meat and once looked down the sign and was no longer enthusiastic. Very soon, fewer and fewer people bothered to stop at his hot dog and stand, and his sales started coming down rapidly. The father said to his son, Son, you were right. You are in the middle of a recession. I am glad you warned me ahead of time. So what is the moral of the story? First and foremost thing is, many times we confuse intelligence with good judgment. Secondly, a person may have high intelligence but poor judgment. Thirdly, choose your advisors carefully and use your judgment. Fourth, a person can and will be successful with or without formal education if they have character, commitment, conviction, courtesy, courage. And ultimately, the tragedy is that there are many walking encyclopedias who are living failures. First thing, that is character. Character is the greatest thing for getting success in life. Success is not a destination. Success is not a mystery. Success is the name of continuity and regularity. Swami Vivekananda emphasized the path of regularity and told the whole worldly people that they should not wait, they should not stand, but keep your personal efforts on. If situations, circumstances are stopped, then it is different thing, but personally, intentionally, internally, you should never stop. Continue. Try again and again. Students in our school, so many stories read which teach us like the slow and steady win the race. So these stories are the part of experiences and practical approaches. Intelligence is quickness to learn. Ability is the skill to apply what is learnt. So ability is the skill to apply what is learnt, and intelligence is quickness to learn. This is the basic difference between intelligence and ability. Sometimes some scholars are confused by these terms. Competence is the ability